Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And on another episode of What Did Moto Papa Get Today? Well, as I mentioned in my previous videos, I was going to replace the cylinder clamps with some CNC clamps that do not have the mirror mounts, because I put the bar end mirrors on there, those Rizomas, as well as some CNC Racing Shorty Levers, red carbon fiber, because I want to have that little pop in the front of the bike. So I'm not going to do an install video on these. They're pretty self-explanatory. There's a bunch of them out there already for our bikes. So these are super simple. These, I'm going to grease them up, bang out the little plunger from the stock ones, and mount these up and show you guys what they look like. Stay tuned. So here we go. CNC Shorty Levers with carbon fiber installed. I will say this little rubber boot with the plunger going in, what a pain in the ass. Had to use some pliers, a little hook to keep, working it around. Eventually, obviously I greased up the plunger, eventually, kind of rubbing it around, twisting it, you boys know what I'm talking about, right? Once I did that a little bit, it finally started going in, popped in, that's fine, but it was a pain in the ass. I will give it that. But damn, do these look good. They set it off, right? Match the handlebar clamp. That's what they look like. Here are the CNC cylinder clamps as well. So there you have it. Bike's coming together. Got a few more things coming. I got a little surprise for you guys that have to do with this and this. So stay tuned. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Hit those like buttons and comment down below and let me know what your guys' thoughts are on the bike, on how it's transforming so far. Talk to you later, guys.